Hey everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. In today's episode, we're going to do a bunch of things. I'm going to kick things off by unboxing the sneaker that I recently bought. This is a brand new Air Force One collaboration that I got over at my visit at RIF Manila, Secret Fresh. If you guys haven't seen that video yet, that's the video that I uploaded prior to this. Number two, we'll be heading over to the steel cabinet over at Green Hills. I'll be doing like some sort of mini restock. And number three, I'll be drawing the winners to our raffles. 3 winners. I'll be drawing the winner for the MSI Laptop. I'll be drawing the winner for the gift certificates for Sole Republiq. And I'll be drawing the winners for the gift certificates for YOLO Manila. Excited? I am. Tara, let's go. So let's jump right into the unboxing. Now this is, as you guys can probably see, this is the G-Dragon Piece -1 PARANOISE 2.0. This is the first version that I bought last year and I have been beating this up relentlessly. I love this shoe. I love the design. Take note, I'm not a G-Dragon fan. I'm not a K-pop fan. I don't even know the guy. But sagway, no? But I really love the shoe. I really love the design. And it speaks to how art can transcend personality, and in a way it can talk to you just as long as you can see the beauty of what art is about and design is all about, diba? And that's why I love this sneaker. I love the fact that you can peel away the top. I love the design of the graffiti. I love the overall vibe and the black and white color with the streaks of red and blue. Man, this is just a really nice shoe. And that's the reason why when this came out, which is PARANOISE 2.0, which is a white version, I knew that I really wanted to buy one. Now, as you guys can see, it comes in this box. If you pop this box open, you have some sort of like Korean Nike on tissue paper. And then if you pop, ooh, yun na siya. This is it. Here we have it. Super excited. I've been waiting for this for so long. Here we have it. This is the G-Dragon PARANOISE 2.0. Now, just like the first version of the PARANOISE, the upper part of this sneaker can actually be peeled away. Or if you just keep wearing it, it will eventually start coming off and it will reveal a graffiti. I'm not sure, I haven't seen it fully stripped. That should, I think, somehow resemble this. Not sure if it's like 100% copy or if it's a totally different like look. But the big difference is, if you just do it side by side, is that the swoosh on the white version is black, while the swoosh on the original black version, well, is white. I'm not sure again how the inner part, or if you strip the upper, how it will look like. Now, if you are wondering what that looks like, the good news is I'll be actually having the entire upper of this stripped. So I will be doing another video next week showing what this sneaker looks like without the upper. Kind of like what we did with the video on the PARANOISE 1.0. Now, very quickly, before we move on with the vlog, can I just say that I read the background on this shoe, and just like, you know, what you see with a lot of woke millennials these days, or woke Gen Z, this shoe is very emo. This shoe has a lot of, you know, deep meaning. Apparently, see, G-Dragon was thinking that it's kind of like his utopia philosophy, which basically means that he hopes that the youth of the world will get, I don't know, collectively unified by art and design, something like that. And that's the struggle with this one. As you peel everything off and see the art, that's how people will unite. Ang labo. But yeah, okay, sige, fine. Ang ganda naman siya tingnan eh, so I'll still wear it. But yeah, and you probably siguro pag di ka G-Dragon K-pop fan, no, you can't relate. But I can relate with how awesome this sneaker looks like. So super excited again to wear this. As you guys can see, black and white. You have extra laces. You have the pins that you can put along the side. Yon! So that's the shoe, that's the unboxing. We've revealed it. Watch out for the full stripping, 100% stripping of the upper of the shoe coming soon on the vlog. Now at this point, I'd like to draw one winner. This is the winner of the 5,000 peso gift certificate from Sole Republiq, one of the newest sneaker stores. They have a new branch over at BGC. Make sure that you guys check it out, Uptown Mall. So let's find out who the winner is. Congratulations! I'll be reaching out to you via Instagram to connect with you so you can get your gift certificate, or how you can claim your gift certificate from Sole Republiq. Wow, talk about messy hair. So we're back here in the YouTube studio. All of the shoes, all of the crazy stuff that we eventually need to put in the steel cabinet. I'll just pick maybe 3 to 4 or 5 pairs that I'll bring over. And yeah, samahan nyo lang ako pick the shoes. So I've already selected the couple that I want to bring over. So this one is the Night Jogger Light. So it's like a night jogger, but a much more softer upper, I think. So this one, black and white. I think this is like size 13. We'll put this in the 3K steel cabinet. So, 7.5 SRP, selling it for more than 50% off. This one I showed in the original vlog, or the first steel cabinet vlog. This is the Vapor Max Flyknit with recycled upper. This one is size 12. Size 12. And we will be putting this maybe around, I don't know, 5,000 pesos. We have a Colehan shoe. So, di ba? Pati Colehan meron. This one is size 11.5. This one is called the Colehan Overtake Runner. So, this one, nice colors of blue, yellow, white. Really nice looking clean shoe. We'll sell this. I don't know, we'll probably put it in the 3,000 peso cabinet as well. We have like this Jordan Trunner. Trunner, I don't know how you properly pronounce it. I think this sells for, I think 8,000. We'll also probably put it, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4,000. But yeah, I'll put it there as well. This is size 13. Shout out, by the way, to Aftermarket and Titan for the paper bags. Kala mo nung binigay nila eh. That's from the stuff that I bought from them. We'll also throw this in, which is like a Nike React Infinity. Wore this one a lot, so I don't know if people will still buy it. I'll put it in the 2K cabinet. And yeah, we'll head on over to Green Hills now. So we're on our way to Green Hills, but before that, let's draw the winner of the 15 peso 1,000 gift certificate from YOLO Manila. So let's find out who the winner is. Congratulations to the winner. I'll be reaching out to you via Instagram on how you can get your GC. Also, if you guys are wondering what face mask this is the Under Armour face mask. If you want to buy one, I think they still have stocks over at Zalora or Lazada or any of the Under Armour shops. I'll link it down below where you can get one. So guys, here we are at the 7-to-1 steel cabinet. So we have over here a 2,000 peso Nike Infinity React we showed you earlier. Still have the 45,000 iPhone mini mystery box. We have a couple of shoes. This one, the one I recently brought over for 4,000. This one for 4,000. The Easy Butter is still over here. A couple of shoes at the 3K cabinet. A few more shoes at the 2K cabinet. Added the Night Jogger Light. We still have the Kyrie 7 and the Space Hippie Nike. We still have a couple of shirts available as well. So one of the original designs with above the ankle, squad shirts, shirt with Nico, a couple of colors available, and we have the Bear Brick over here, the Fragment Starbucks glass, a couple of pillows from Bape. These go for like 5,000. We have some Quicks toys, the card of Sean, a couple of Supreme stuff. So yeah, that's what's available here as of Friday, Jan 15 for the steel cabinet. Okay, so we're back here in the condo. So you guys saw what were the sneakers that are in the steel cabinet right now. So there's a bunch. So take advantage of the opportunity to get the shoes at really ridiculously low prices. So those who don't know, the steel cabinet is over at Green Hills Theater Mall. Just take the staircase beside Starbucks and go to Collector's Base. And then near the counter, near the cashier, we have a corner there. Several cabinets you guys saw with shirts, our merch, our shoes at ridiculously low prices. Okay, some of you were asking when the next mystery boxes will be dropping. So we will be dropping like a bunch of mystery boxes on February 10. So it's kind of like a Valentine's mystery box. So we're thinking of what we're going to put inside. If we're going to put like lovey-dovey stuff. So don't worry, it will be all rated G, rated PG. No, not rated PG. Basta, di siya R18. So we're working on that. So expect a bunch of new mystery boxes in the 5,000 to 10,000 peso price points come Feb 10. By the way, the 45,000 peso mystery box that you guys saw, that has a friggin' iPhone 12 mini, which sells for like 55,000. So if you add the iPhone 12 mini with all the other gadgets inside, that's a ridiculously low price. So if you are looking to buy like a brand new iPhone mini 12, that's like the best price you can get one for. And last but not the least, let's find out who the winner is of the brand new laptop from MSI. Congratulations to the winner. I'll be reaching out to you via Instagram on how you can get your brand new laptop. By the way, guys, quick wristwatch check of the day. This is my Seiko Gundam limited edition spring drive watch. Really nice looking piece over here. I will link it somewhere up here or down there, the video that I did on the review of this on my watch channel. By the way, if you have noticed, if you don't know yet, I have a YouTube channel, separate YouTube channel dedicated to watches. So if you're into horology, if you're into geeky watches, check it out. I just uploaded a video talking about my entire watch collection. Di ba panalo? Anyway, that's it for the vlog for today. If you guys enjoyed, very quick, I just wanted to announce the winners, unbox the shoes, and bring you to Green Hills. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.